Happy Monday. Another day is always another opportunity. Me and my girl Faith are on our way to pick up our first passenger. God is so good all the time. I always say that, of course, because it's true. And so I hope whoever woke up today and comes across this video, I hope everything works in your favor today, this week, as well as this month. Now, in a perfect world, we know that doesn't happen. But what we do know is God has favor on so many of us. And if you watch this video, I feel like he's telling me to tell you to just keep the faith. You might be going through a hard time. You might be facing some trials and tribulations that nobody is aware of or nobody knows about besides God, but he's with you. And so I wanted to remind you that, and I hope you guys have a blessed day today. Let's see who we're going to pick up today, y'all. Stay tuned. Yeah, let's get to it. Nothing to it but to do it, right, y'all? Good morning.
Good morning, y'all.
I'm blessed and grateful. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Sipping. She's nice. She just, that's how she says hi. Oh, no, I appreciate it. You know what's crazy is that always comes to my mind. I'm like, but I know dogs are smart, but she sticks her head between there. That's why I kind of lodge that pillow there. Because I'm like, I don't want her to, I keep thinking it, and I'm like,
kind of hit her if you don't pay attention.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, shoot, I don't want to hear a big yelp one day, and then I'm just like, see, I knew that was gonna come.
I feel awful.
Yeah, no worries. This is her happy place.
I think, how do you get a bad rating on Uber?
Thank you, because I was literally just talking about the other day. I was like, someone popped up and it was like 3.8, and I'm like, normally you see 4s, right?
Yeah.
So, consistent 4 or 5s, 4 6s, 4 7, 4 8s, 5 point stars. A 3.8, I'm like, bro, and then the trip was like 27 minutes, and all I could think is, I'm like, you can't go from a 5-star as a passenger to a 3.8, just in one ride. You gotta keep messing up. Yeah. So I was just like, what are they doing? What are they doing?
Oh my God.
I was just like, I don't want to find out.
Yeah.
Settle down. I know what you've been up to. You know I've seen it cause I've been there. I was once a lot like you. Find a way to carry on.
We're on our way to Sonic, y'all, to pick up our first order of the night. Yeah. Let's get it. Just go through the drive-thru instead of going inside, because their lobbies are always small. I got that boom boom boom. Alright, let's turn this down.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'm here to pick up an Uber Eats order for Renee. Renee.
Okay.
Yep. Alright. There goes the brother. Brother at Summer. Oh, this Alright. So, let's see what we got here. There's 6 items. Looks like 2 cheeseburgers. It doesn't even look like there's a drink, so that's
kind of good. So we can just probably just throw it straight in here.
Hey, I dig the bike, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you. No, it's not. Y'all see that? I thought we were about to get attacked. That'll be a good thumbnail. Attack of the Birds at Summit. Oh man. Alright, so that I didn't get to show y'all where I put the order at. We're using the new bag. Here, I'll show y'all real quick. Go. Complete pickup. Go to the next stop. Alright, this is the bag that the food is in. Now we're gonna have to go deliver. Let's go. I was almost kind of full. I'm just excited. Alright, let's turn the music back on and rock and roll. Yes, sir. How you doing, Renee?
Beautiful.
That's good. There you go.
Thank you very
You have a
much.
blessed day.
You too.
Thank you. People like the bike. All right, on to the next one, y'all. On to the next one, y'all. Let's see where we're gonna go next. $15 order from Panda Express. Ah, I'm excited. $17 order? What? Bro, a $17 order on a motorcycle is like $50 order in a car. Yeah. It feels so good out here, y'all. It's crazy. I didn't know there was a Panda right up here, but apparently there is. So. Anima. Step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. Pulling up to Panda Express. Chilling. Yeah. We outside with it. I should park on the curb. Be fancy. Let's be fancy. Low key. Ah! Everything you say to me. Alright. You guys think it's a lot of stuff? Hey, what's the name? They're like pros. Let's see. Oh. How's it going? I'm here to pick up for Zach B. Yeah, guys, this is literally technically like a $20 order. Simple. We'll just throw that in there. Wow. This $17 order, y'all, just for this. This is not even a drink. Talk about a blessing. All right, let's get it. I wanted to help that guy in there. He's in there cleaning, and I'm surprised like they're not like at least blessing him with the meal for helping them out, because he's in there wiping down their tables, and I don't know. Let's head out of here. All right. This is the place that we're going to. Never been here before. So I thought we had one order, but we actually got two. So I'll just park right here real quick. Hello. Pickup order for Kira? Thank you.
Just a word you want it right now. If you'd like, you can take a seat.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Yep.
Can you double check the menu, please?
Yep, it's...
Cool, wow. Yeah. It's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Have a blessed day.
You too.
Alright, yeah. Never been to this restaurant, but that's the cool part. That's what I like the most is you get to see all these different places and decide, is this a place I want to try out? And most of the times it is, especially the places I've never been to. Curiosity gets the best of me. Alright. Alright, y'all, let's go drop these off.